All of the organizational and search capabilities in FormBoxx are rolled into one user interface called MultiSearch. You can filter and find documents and data using your own directory structure combined with clusters and phrase searches. You start with what you know and then methodically narrow the search based on other dimensions of organization. To use MultiSearch, click on Explore and select MultiSearch from the drop-down. You can see the multiple dimensions that you can search through and filter with, including clusters, folders, and text search. Let's say that you know the documents you want to find have information about arthritis. Using the text search query, you can rapidly find all pages that mention arthritis. But as you will see, there are a lot of pages. We can then filter based on the form type across all patients using the cluster filter, or select a single patient. Clicking on the single patient, in this case DD4, a page from that patient immediately comes up. You could directly open that page, or, as noticed below, it is part of a cluster, cluster 15, as indicated by the one instance. Removing the filter then allows us to look for specific forms, for example in the case that we don't know the patient. Let's look at the medication form, a single page, and looking at the folders we see that the patient is in patient AA1's folder. Removing the cluster filter allows us to dive deeper into the patient AA's folder. We see that the patient has a number of forms mentioning arthritis, 7 to be exact. One other organizational dimension that can be used for filtering is time. The start and end dates allows us to filter ranges of dates of the uploading of the documents. This is particularly useful for doing weekly, monthly, or yearly analytics and audits. The range we initially filtered had a number of different forms for patient AA and individual forms from other patients. By narrowing the date range, we filter to only patient AA and form cluster 18. So, to recap, MultiSearch is a very flexible discovery tool that uses your knowledge about all organizational dimensions, including folders, clusters, content, and time, to rapidly find documents and data of interest. Power users use MultiSearch as a springboard to getting to pages for export or for data extraction using boxing. We think that you will find many ways to use MultiSearch in your FormBoxx searches and analytics. Have fun and save time with FormBoxx.